Probably can't see the pink glow, but there's a pink lake up ahead. I don't know why, it's glowing pink at the moment. Heading up to Lucky Bay today, so it's about an hour drive from where we are. Just pulled in at the garage. I was too slack last night to pump up the tyres. I was down the beach trying to catch some fish. So I'll give you a look at that. It was a really good sunset, so I'll give you a look at that, and I'll see you at Lucky Bay and show you what that's all about. A little bit windier than I would have hoped after driving all that way, but it still looks pretty nice here. I'm gonna chuck the snorkel on and get across to the reef over there and just see if we can see anything. There's crayfish and stuff all around here, but I'm probably not good enough to grab one, but we'll see how we go. It's all oysters, so I'm in bare feet at the moment, so I'm not going to go too far, but there's heaps of stuff around. Snorkeling in ages, so a little bit sore, but beautiful over there, so clear. Gets a bit murky back towards the sand over on this side, but over that side is absolutely beautiful and clear. No crayfish, of course. I was never going to find them. I'm going to head up the beach a little bit. I forgot my little esky, so I always forget something, but the sausage is going to need cooking. So it felt like a couple of snags on the barbie, so we'll get up there. There's only another couple hundred metres up there, and we'll see if the wind's not too bad and see how we go. Lucky Bay, head back out off the beach and pump the tyres up and head home. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the drone up today, so a little bit windy, but a couple of months ago I was here, went to Kalbarri as well, so it's the episode, I think it's Kalbarri river camping, something like that. Have a look in there and check out some of the drone footage from this beach, absolutely beautiful. So about 50 k's from Kalbarri this place is.